A quick and special unboxing today. This comes from Adidas Confirm app 1 and reservation. Looks like we got some special box here. We got the Adidas Lego ultraboost DNA, and as you can see, 10.5, my size. Alright, let's take them out. Whoop. Okay, first one we see here is the extra lace with black and red. What is that? Looks like that's the actual Lego. Let's see. Yep, that's the actual Lego. There you go. Can see the yellow details of what's going on the shoe. We got 36 pieces of little Legos right here. More details going on. And we got the actual shoes. Ooh! Man! What are those? Wow! So it looks like you're gonna put the Lego small-ish on this part or in this side. Is that how you do it? Looks like I'm doing it wrong. Now let's try this again. I think it should be goes here. It should goes in this one. We're doing it right now. It should be here on this part. I think that's it. That's how you do it. What do you think on this one? Is it just maybe it's just kind of gimmicky or what? Can you please leave a comment down below? I would love to hear your thought. And if you like this video, thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Mag-ingat po kayo. Goodbye. Peace.